We have officially come here, Okatakyire Afrifa, to hand them over to the Arrɛsted Divisional Police Command. Now, the due processes, omo legal document, omo date her as Chinese, omo resident permit, omo work permit, reason ti omo waha, any omo mining lease, forest entry permit in tia omo kora forest mua, omo 2-year forest in Eguno. We are handing them over to the police. We expect, say, as from today, investigations will begin. And as well, behind these people. And that is what we are on the lookout for. Ma yenamasi, ye go inside, near handing over officially to the police. We will report back to you. Stay with us. Let's go.
Shall we? Apunche. Can shout.
Come.
Siamo akwaba e de batu maji esu meso ase any day di kind a woni me edi share subscribe my page we na me adoma no se na be ya upload bi a onsa ebetimi aka ebusia Ghana ha de enyema bebre na no my Ghana eni ni di esi anase eni ni edi akona ba ko a Ghana ebrese betu ase eye Galamsayers ko ye hwese ne abrofu yi China fo hwo mukrom ababegu o my Ghana mu ese yensuo eni ye nkwaye na no kwasa no se eni ye nyan ye pa wo hwe yensuo o Ghana ha ni nyina eni asesa it's a drop for cry edi o manotu mu a task force ahodo na ban bia ba so a oprese ote so de betu Galamsayers na so oyeya na ekon no asan ejai ababehwe no abaye tisuri ade ba ko amanfo de bo na chipa ene Galamsayers bebre kura se MPP abaye tisuri emu mpanifo na bi ene hwehwe Galamsayers echi a omo enunti entimi ma Galamsayers no ase entimi ntu na sendroni ba ko Okatakyire Afrifa a odi ne djuma e wo angel ene ne nwa ba ko kan bom akoye a police djuma na se task force djuma yeti se ko mo no mo hwehwe so betu Galamsayers no omo gbawura kwayim akwakoche China fo mienu a ese yensu eni yemfudie e wo fo mu anase e wo enwura mu hono ma omode omo akwakoma police se police fo no enye hwehwemu enkosi ase ehu nipa kora ehye sa China fo yechi a omunya kwa akohye kwaye nim ese yemfudie.
Let's go.
I gotta hurry up. You think we will leave you? We won't leave you. We are not scared. If I'm scared, do you think I'll come here? Huh? Move.
We have arrested them. We'll hand them over to the Divisional Police.
And you should tell us
they will show us their work permits, their documentation, the mining lease, their resident permits, and all. Immigration document. They will have to provide it, to the government of Ghana. They are on it. Say forest. This is the Tano Numere forest. One diverting Suone Quine, which is the Tano River. And Womushim and Womutu. They are doing what they want. Pantoso. This is the main bridge.
The main bridge.
A separate
I will win. Okay.
Now this is the level of
destruction. China for you. Sir. We are Ghana for
the level of destruction. Turn on to the point, sir. And this is what you mean, middle
of tunnel is to top money.
Everything is gone.
How they are destroyed, and
everybody is quiet.
Everyone is quiet
in this country.
Everybody.
If we are losing the Tano River.
Tano River, say every.
We are losing it.
And everybody is quiet. But you can't
we will fight. We have officially come here, Okatakyire Afrifa, to hand them over to the Arrɛsted Divisional Police Command. Now, the due processes, omo legal document, omo date her as Chinese, omo resident permit, omo work permit, reason ti omo waha, any omo mining lease, forest entry permit in tia omo kora forest mua, omo 2-year forest in Eguno. We are handing them over to the police. We expect, say, as from today, investigations will begin. And as well, and behind these people, and that is what we are on the lookout for. Ma yenamasi, ye go inside, near hand over officially to the police. We will report back to you. Stay with us. Let's go.
Shall we? Apunche. Ten shot. Kula, 10 shot.
Come.
We've taken more than the 6 at this point. Uncle Bokwansa, please let us hear from Okatakyire before they come to Uncle Bokwansa.
Good evening, Your Excellency. As usual, I would like to ask my question in tree. Say how are then I say, as you would in the Ajimo Pambo, Tibebu Sabichi. Your Excellency, a year and be free a year as a Krogwa and an important ever. Now, because with Madame for not see a morning show of a Kesman, Kwame Apiakubi. The Kodru Honor Niamana El Kosunibi, Your Excellency, it is heart wrenching. Seminoka say, Tanos you I the whole. It's to top it. It's me the middle of the tunnel issue, no man so, Dominion Jesus Christo. That is how bad the destruction of our waters have become. And we have to turn ourselves into citizen vigilantes to arrest some Chinese people and send them to the police station on this matter. Besides that, Achimota Forest, Yanyan TSA, the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources said, year in, year out, a certain Owu family, IAG Asasi free on 1927, Yan Chiamoka, Eti Omudibi Koma Owu family. No, Your Excellency, wait there, and your question. They are chopper. Achimota Forest here, the Owu family bika, a binding Chia Owu family nika. Na forest no and na ho. Nemo show your forest. Said the yes no in our quest to benefit from the natural resource of this country. I don't think we can continue like that as a nation. And there na wo obeye sebeya yeshua yaseno abedri yibetimi reclaiming na yibetimi abodi da one oban amada chinchi. Thank you.
Please let's take Uncle Bokwansa so we can, because I think that we've taken almost 9 or so questions.
China for me and sign, say yensu any foodie any kokoshe and ebu bona baso sa wayade wa kire o mamba pasuno ebi so e bisa so anti Galamsayers na aban ete ye se onhwe se sa China fui anan po mo say yenkwaye ni yensu no omo wahi afrede sentrofo e na age omadwuma na omo ye wenum na yasemi se bia amafo ebisa so e kire se wei e patriotism e na omadane di no oma kire o mamba pasu wei e ye na suakra de ma ye ya ye shop no kire se wo mpatamu wo mam wo bro no so na se bibi e kwachi bibi se ya on chen hwe se aban e na emra mayema e bia na gatamu e na ayefi anase esia on chen se zoom lion e na emra no metse gatanemu enfama communal labor ne nyina ya kan ho abom ne ya te ye mpatamu ne ye ne sa ye nam so ma oman Ghana etimi akonanim ma ye hu se ne won so adwen esikirew e wo comment so aha yetuma GH so subscribe my channel we no emi adoma so se ne be ya upload bia on sa ebetini aka oko Facebook a ye wo TikTok any Instagram so ni nyina e too much GH e ya no like no a share wo so e dia mai makra.